Hi, I'm Hannah, a Youth Engagement Officer here at Itec Skills and Employment. Our centre here at the Good Sheds in Barry is a fantastic place for young people to grow, learn and prepare for their future careers. My role involves reaching out to young people and their families, explaining the benefits of our programme and encouraging them to join. Whether it's through phone calls, emails or social media, I'm always looking for ways to connect with new learners. Once we have new learners, I ensure their onboarding process is smooth. This includes giving them a tour of our facilities and introducing them to our team and resources. Continuous support is key to our success. I'm here to guide our learners every step of the way, ensuring they stay engaged and progress towards their goals, whether that's further education or employment. Our centre here at the Good Sheds in Barry is a fantastic place for young people to grow, learn and prepare for their future careers. Good Sheds is more than just a location. It's a vibrant community hub. With its innovative design and variety of amenities, it provides the perfect environment for young people to learn and grow. If you're interested in finding out more, come down and visit us at the Good Shed. See you soon. Welcome, Bian.